Lok Sabha elections are close on the heels. Bharat Jodho Nyaya Yatra crossing through Raibareli, Amethi. Rahul Gandhi appearing in the Sultanpur court. We are joined by none other than Jairam Ramesh, senior leader and general secretary, who's been rallying around with Rahul Gandhi. Welcome, Jairam sir, on this broadcast. Most importantly, today Rahul Gandhi gave the Yatra a break and went to the courts. Will he or won't he apologize was the question that was being asked.
He's got bail. This is August 2018 defamation case filed against him for some remarks he's supposed to have made during the Karnataka Assembly election. We followed the legal process. He got a summons, by the way, day before yesterday night. So we had to, postpone the yatra this morning. We didn't have the yatra. We're starting again in the afternoon. We follow the legal process. So whatever the court, when the court issued a summons to Mr. Rahul Gandhi, even though it was at the last minute, he decided to appear in the court and he got bail for it.
A similar pattern was followed as far as defamation case against Prime Minister, against Rahul Gandhi with Prime Minister.
The law should take its own course. It's in the court. A case was filed. He has appeared in the district court. He's got bail. So let's see what happens. We'll follow. We're not going to short circuit any legal process. And we respect the sanctity of the legal process, unlike Mr. Modi and the Home Minister.
The other question that's being asked is that Rahul was in Amethi. Mr. Kharge also talked about his connect with Amethi and how the people of Amethi were missing him. Do you think he should make a comeback here?
The Bharat Jodho Nyaya Yatra is not an electoral yatra. It's an ideological yatra where Mr. Rahul Gandhi is talking about the past 10 years and the anyay, the injustice done to various sections of Indian society. And he's talked of the Panch Nyay, the Nyay for women, the Nyay for youth, the Nyay for farmers, which we are the anyay that you're seeing in Delhi, the Nyay for workers, and the social justice, the full participation and equal participation in governance and in society. So he's talked about that. Now this yatra is not to find out who is the candidate for Amethi, who is the candidate for Raibareli. This may agitate you, but it's not agitating the Bharat Jodho Nyaya Yatra.
Political survival of Rahul Gandhi, reclaiming the legacy of your family.
He will decide. It's up to him and this Central Election Committee, the Congress President, Srimati Sonia Gandhi, leader of the Congress Parliamentary Party. They will take a collective call. I mean, obviously, yesterday when the rally was taking place, I talked to a large number of people, and they all said that we made a mistake in 2019. We want Rahul Gandhi back. Today in the morning, I went to a bird sanctuary in Raibareli, in Salon. There's a bird sanctuary and a wetland, and I talked to some people there, and they said they want Priyanka Gandhi to contest. So these are people's views, but I don't have a view. Ultimately, it will have to be the CEC that will decide, and also whether Srimati Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and Mr. Rahul Gandhi will want to contest from here. It's up to them. It's not for me to say.
What are the stakes stacked against them? The winnability ratio, do you think is the probability is high for a win?
Rahul Gandhi has been MP 3 times from here. He lost 2019 by a margin of 55,000 in an electorate of almost 10 lakhs. And there is a connect. There is today there is a desire for people to be reconnected. As I said, in Raibareli, everybody I talk to is talking of Priyanka ji's name. In Amethi, people are talking of Rahul. But this is incidental to the Bharat Jodho Nyaya Yatra. The focus of the Bharat Jodho Nyaya Yatra is not to search for candidates. It's to take the ideological message which Rahul Gandhi is repeating in meeting after meeting after meeting.
The other question was that whether Akhilesh Yadav would have joined, because he had announced that he'd join in Raibareli.
Well, and this thing the alliance more in UP. We have this afternoon, we have tomorrow morning, and then we have the 25th and we have the 25th and 26th in Western UP. So 2.5 days is a very long time in Indian politics.
And you are being over optimistic.
No, I'm not. I'm being realistic.
They're saying the ties are strained, seat sharing is not happening.
Nothing Mr. Akhilesh Yadav has said leads me to the belief that he is not as committed to the India alliance as we are. He has said that the seat sharing formula should be completed. I agree. Seat sharing formula is not a unilateral formula. We don't behave like Mr. Modi, my way or the highway. It's a part of consensus. सर्वसम्मति से नहीं किया जाता, आम सहमति बनाई जाती है. तो आम सहमति में आपको कुछ मिलता है, हमें कुछ मिलता है, हमें कुछ देना पड़ता है, आपको भी देना पड़ता है. So some compromise is going to be struck, and I'm sure that the India Gathbandhan will be fighting unitedly cohesively, and the BJP's position in UP is going to dramatically shrink compared to 2019.
Thank you very much for talking to us. There's Jairam Ramesh clearly sharing his views as far as, the India bloc standing united is concerned. He's saying the India Gadbandhan is very much united. They are going to win, and there is still 2.5 days left as far as the Bharat Jodho Nyaya Yatra in UP is concerned. And that's a long period, for all the decision making and all the consensus that needs to be built with the Samajwadi Party, thereby putting a cap to the fact that seat sharing is still on, the talks are on, and the Congress is hopeful. Confirming that, not putting a cap. Thank you for talking to us.